Assalamu alaikum, beautiful little friends. Today I'm going to tell you a special story about a boy named Yusuf, his sister Amina, and their kindness jar. It's a story about Ramadan, kindness, and the joy of helping others. But listen carefully, because at the end of the story, I'll ask you some questions to see how much you've learned. Are you ready? Let's begin. One sunny afternoon during Ramadan, Yusuf was playing with his best friend Ali and his little sister Amina. They were racing toy cars and having so much fun. Amina watched with big, curious eyes, clapping every time Yusuf's car won the race. Suddenly, Ali tripped over a rock and fell down. "Ouch!" he cried, holding his knee. Yusuf and Amina rushed to help him. "Are you okay, Ali?" Yusuf asked, looking worried. Amina gently patted Ali's shoulder. "Don't cry, Ali. We'll help you." Ali smiled through his tears. "Jazakallah, guys." Yusuf smiled back. "Wa'iyak, Ali. Helping others is what Ramadan is all about." Later that day, Mama Aisha called Yusuf and Amina to the kitchen. She held a beautiful, colorful jar in her hands. "This is a kindness jar," she said. "Every time you do a good deed, like helping a friend or sharing your toys, you can add a star to the jar. By the end of Ramadan, we'll see how many stars you've collected." Yusuf's eyes lit up. "I'm going to fill it up, Mama." Amina clapped her hands. "Me too. Me too," Mama smiled. Remember, the Prophet Muhammad PBUE said, "Kindness is a mark of faith." Let's see how much kindness you can spread this Ramadan. The next day, Yusuf and Amina went to Ali's house to check on him. Ali's knee was still sore, and he needed help carrying his toys inside. Yusuf picked up the toy cars, and Amina held Ali's hand as they walked to the door. "Jazakallah, Yusuf and Amina," Ali said. "You're the best friends ever." Yusuf replied, "Wa iyak, Ali. Helping others makes us happy too." When they got home, Mama smiled. "Helping a friend is a wonderful act of kindness. You both deserve a star." Yusuf and Amina each added a shiny star to the kindness jar. It sparkled as it fell to the bottom. A few days later, Ali came over to play again. This time, Yusuf and Amina decided to share their favorite toys with him. "You can play with my red car, Ali," Yusuf said. "And you can have my teddy bear," Amina added, handing him her soft, cuddly bear. Ali smiled. "Jazakallah, guys. You're so kind." Yusuf replied, "Wa'iyak, Ali. Sharing is a sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad. He always taught us to be generous." Mama watched them. "Sharing your toys is a great good deed," she said. "Go ahead and add another star to the jar." Yusuf and Amina happily dropped 2 more stars into the jar. By the end of Ramadan, the kindness jar was filled with sparkling stars. Yusuf and Amina sat with Mama, looking at the jar. "You've both done so many good deeds this Ramadan," Mama said. "Every star in this jar represents a time you made someone happy. That's what Ramadan is all about, spreading kindness and love." Yusuf smiled. "I love helping others, Mama. It makes me feel happy too." Amina nodded. "Me too. Kindness is fun." Mama hugged them both. "I'm so proud of you. Remember, the Prophet Muhammad said, 'The best among you are those who are kind to others.' Let's keep spreading kindness, even after Ramadan."